Hey, what's up guys, it's Finny and you're watching Man Express. In this video I've got this workbench. This is the Parkside model, and this is essentially the replacement for your table saw, for example. If you've got a circular saw, in my case I've got a circular saw and I needed a table that could be adjusted and it could also be tucked away, folded. So this is one of the ones that was of interest to me. This is about £24.99. and MDF tabletop and all metal, aluminum, I guess. The whole frame's made of that. And yeah, just looking at the box, we've got this these dimensions, as you can see. So we've got vertical 790 millimeters, 79 centimeters, and 605 millimeters at the top, which is 60 centimeters. So there's a fair bit of working distance. And if you've got it stretched over, so you've got about 63 centimeters in the bottom, and on the front the width is about 235 millimeters, about 23.5 centimeters. So not massive in terms of width, but lengthwise it's about 60 centimeters, and the height is about 79 or 790 millimeters. So that's the config or the spec. And in the front you've got certain things: hand crank, 4 adjustable plastic bench clamps, and high quality MDF boards. So that's pretty much we're going to get in the box. 150 kilos is what it can support, which is massive. I can possibly easily lie down on this one. And at the back we've got some information on the some number, Delta Sport or something, workbench, some tracking information, I guess. So workbench allows you to quickly and sufficiently secure the piece you're working on. High quality MDF boards with millimeters, centimeters, inches, ruler markings and precision work. 4 adjustable plastic bench clamps, a robust steel tube frame with practical tool holder, folds away to save space. That's one of the key reasons why I've got this. So let's, without any further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got inside. I'll go back to the handle side of it, or this side I guess. This is how it's going to come off. So a nibbleish cut off on these sides. And on the inside we've got the whole setup. It's a fairly heavy item. So we've got these aluminum brackets or stands, or whatever you like. So it's going to be an assembly, so you'll have to bear with me. Oh gosh, it's going to be a bit of work. It's really a fair bit of work today to be done with this one. I guess I should divide this video into 2 parts. These are the MDF boards. What else do we have inside? We've got something. Oh, there's more. There's the inside. Let's put all of these things out. Another one. Quite flimsy though. And anything else? Yes. There's more. There's this clamp thing as well. And that's pretty much. Oh, there's a booklet as well. And nothing else in the box. Pretty much empty. That is all that we get out of the box. So here's the empty empty box, nothing else inside. So I'm going to keep it on to the side and we'll have a look at all of the things that we get. First up, the user manual or the instructions manual, PDF online, so you can scan this QR code, and we've got all the instructions. You need a screwdriver, a wrench and stuff for the installation, ruler. Is there any markings here anywhere? Maybe on the MDF board. Don't see anything here, so it's probably going to be on the MDF board. Alright, so you've got this MDF board, and then you've got all these screws to be putting onto the top with the adjustable thing here. And then if you go along, keep on reading this instruction manual, you'll understand how the things are to be set up and how this might be used to sort of open and close the table, and some distance, etc., to be maintained, and all of the other bits and pieces that you have to install. So nothing other than that on this specific user manual. I'm going to keep it on to the side somewhere just to keep it away. Before anything else, I'd like to look at this. Oh yeah, so this looks pretty decent. If you can see this, it's got all the markings here. It's a ruler, maximum weight 150 kilos. It doesn't look like MDF, doesn't feel like MDF. Oh yeah, it is MDF, but it's quite heavy, heavy duty, and quite nice and strong as well. With all the markings here, about 60 centimeters is what you get out of the box. And yeah, let's just get the thing out actually. Alright, so let's get the plastic out of the way. This is like kind of a plastic that sticks onto your hand. Look at that. No, it's not. Okay, fine. It didn't stick in this instance, but so right. So the wooden boards have been nicely cut out, as you can see, nice and shiny. And if I look onto the inside, this one's got no markings there, if you see. This one's got no markings. It's got a little bit of a scratch over here, I think. Yeah, but it's quite minor, so I'm going to leave it here. That's right. And the other one's got markings here on this side. As you can see, there's marking there until 60 centimeters or about 24 inches. And you've got angle also. So D, that's there, about 180 degrees. And you've got these bits and pieces which would have to be installed, which has got also branding information, Parkside, as you can see. No numbers on it anywhere, so you'd have to rely on the instruction manual. And this is kind of the clamp holder thing for wooden planks and marks. So this is very useful for the adjustments, etc. So yeah, and on either side, so this is the other side, you get the clamp holder thing, keeping it onto the side, and this is probably the stand thingy, which can be adjusted and folded away if you need to. And pretty much similar on this side. Now to do a full-on installation to really get a proper feeling of this specific product. Yeah, 2 legs, I guess, and 2 additional. So that's probably do the whole installation video afterwards. And yeah, so all of these items, 4 legs, 4 clamps, 2 of these MDF ones, the tabletops, and you get some screws in this specific bag, as you can see. Open it up. 3 bags of screws and some legs and all of those bits and pieces with so many screws. Yeah, this all requires some installation work, but yeah, I guess for this video is only just the unboxing. All of these items are right up on the table, and I don't think I'm missing anything or any damage or anything or any of these parts, except for the other one, the other plank that had a little bit of a chip on one of the sides. I don't think that's a problem, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, you know where to find me on the comments section. And yeah, if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Cheers. Bye.